სტეკი არის ალტერნატიული ვებ ბრაუზერი, რასაც ჩვენ ვაკეთებთ, რომელიც საშუალებას მისცემს მომხმარებელს, რომ ერთ ეკრანზე რამდენიმე აპლიკაცია ერთდროულად გამოიყენოს. საქმე იმაში არის, რომ თანამედროვე ბრაუზერები ფაქტიურად არ განვითარებულა ბოლო 20 წლის განმავლობაში, მაშინ როცა ინტერნეტი ძალიან მაგრად განვითარდა და გარდაიქმნა ვებ აპლიკაციების სამყაროდ, ასე ვთქვათ, და მილიარდ ადამიანზე მეტი მსოფლიოში 5-ზე მეტ აპლიკაციას იყენებს ყოველდღიურად და ამისთვის ცოტა მოძველდა ვებ ბრაუზერები და ჩვენ და კიდევ რამდენიმე კომპანია ეხლა ვცდილობთ, რომ ეს რეალობა შევცვალოთ.
Good morning. My name is George, and I am co-founder of Stack, an alternative web browser designed to increase the efficiency of working with web applications. Before further describing the product to you, I would like to tell you why we're doing this. Working on multiple projects together, my team and I discovered that web browsers were not sufficient for working with multiple web applications at the same time. It was time-consuming, confusing, and resulted in a messy workspace. This is about how our desktops looked. As you can see, we have so many tabs open in our browser that we can barely see their names, and alongside we have separate web-based desktop software installed in our computers. So to solve this problem for ourselves, we created a tool that we called Stack, and this is how it looked. Stack allowed us to open multiple web apps on the same screen in a parallel view, without the need of jumping between the tabs all the time. We could also group our applications by categories or by type of usage in so-called stacks on the sidebar, as you can see here. We could see their notifications without actually opening the applications, and it saved us a lot of time. We had a stack for social network, so we had stack for emails, stack for messengers, and so on. While this tool worked very good for us and saved us a lot of time, it still remained a side project for us. Until one day we uploaded it on Product Hunt and Beta List, the platforms where the early adopters evaluate the work of makers, and got very good feedback, 2,000 upvotes in just 1 week, and wonderful ideas on how to improve the product and how to make it a universal browser. From the feedback of our earliest users, we discovered that there was a very important change going on in the internet industry. For over 20 years of its existence, internet has evolved drastically. More than 80% of computer work is done through web applications. Imagine emails, social networks, messengers. But yet the main tool for using internet, which is a web browser, has not changed at all. It remains the same. Stack, on the other hand, lets users to be more productive while multitasking with web, be more organized by grouping the applications within the stacks, and always be up to date with unified notifications. We started in June last year, and by November we had already launched our beta version on Mac. In 3 months, we accumulated 3,700 downloads, and 380 users are using Stack on a daily basis. This number is growing by 40% weekly. And these users are playing a very important role in further development of Stack because they are giving us great ideas about what they want. Meanwhile, we have also successfully graduated from Y Combinator Startup School and exhibited Stack at Disrupt Berlin as TechCrunch top pick. We have also been selected to participate in the Next Web and Web Summit conferences. As any other web browser, we will monetize by taking royalties from search engines and ads, but on the first stage, we want to introduce something new. Something that hasn't been done with the browsers yet, but is very well known among our target users. We call it Netflix for add-ons and extensions. By interviewing our current users, we found out that 60% of them spend around $40 in monthly subscriptions for paid services, paid online services, such as grammar checkers, password managers, mail trackers, and so on. Stack Pro offers unlimited access to unlimited number of web applications, extensions, and add-ons for only one subscription of $10 per month. This way, it is 4 times the value for its price. We have found out that more than 1 billion people use more than 5 web applications on a daily basis, every day. And this is the market that we want to tap on. Our total addressable market we consider the productivity industry, which is valued at $43 billion globally. But the services that Stack provides, create a market of $8 billion yearly. We want to capture 5% of this market in EU and US in the following years. There are several other companies doing something similar to what we're doing, and some of them are doing a great job. However, our vision is slightly different. While others focus on creating a launchpad that will work with the browsers, we want to turn the way people perceive and use internet upside down. This is the core team of Stack. It consists of 4 people currently located in the Netherlands. Our operations lead is a researcher at United Nations and is a PhD of economics of Maastricht University. Very good at data and organization. Our CEO, David Gawasheli, is the Master of Laws and MBA from London School of Commerce. He's a serial entrepreneur with 12 years of experience in managing middle and large-size companies. Our CTO is a product developer with 8 years of experience and has developed more than 25 successful tech products. I focus on growth in Stack and have 6 years of experience, international experience of building tech companies. And this is my 4th startup. We have cumulative experience of working together 5 years. We have run through a couple of rounds of acceleration, and we will make this work. Our current capital requirement is 400,000 euros, which will be allocated on product development, business development, and marketing, as shown on this slide. But the 30,000 euros offered from this project will be spent to finalize our paid features, activate our revenue streams, and make Stack sustainable. We have an ambitious goal of changing the way people interact with the internet. And we believe Stack has the potential of becoming the first Georgian unicorn. And we need funds and strategic partnerships to help us achieve our goal as fast as possible. Thank you.
თავიდან ცოტა ველავდი, როგორც ყოველთვის. ძალიან საინტერესო მსმენელები არიან და ძალიან საინტერესო შეკითხვები. თითქმის ყველა ის შეკითხვა დამისვეს, რომელზეც მე თვითონ 7 წუთში ვერ მოვასწრებდი საუბარს და მინდოდა რომ ეს კითხვები დაესვათ, რომ მომცემდა საშუალება, რომ ეს ინფორმაცია მიმოწოდებოდი. ვფიქრობ, რომ ნორმალურად ჩაიარა პრეზენტაციამ, სხვა პრეზენტაციებიც ვნახე და დანარჩენები ძალიან კარგები იყო და ვფიქრობ, რომ შეიძლება კარგი კონკურენცია არის, მაგრამ იმედი მაინც მაქვს, რომ სწორად შევაფასებ.